Infinite number of bodies, each of mass 2 kg, are situated on x-axis at a distance 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 8 meter respectively from the origin. The resulting gravitational potential due to this system at the origin will be. So just try to understand this question. If you are considering an xy coordinate system and infinite number of bodies, each of mass 2 kg. So we can just consider that each mass is nothing but 2 kg, are situated on the x-axis at a distance of, first one is at a distance of 1 meter, second one is at a distance of 2 meter, third one is at a distance of 4 meter, fourth one is at a distance of 8 meter, then 16, then 32, as so on. The resulting gravitational potential due to this system at the origin is. Our aim is to find out what about the value of net gravitational potential at the origin. So you can write the potential will be equal to sum of potential due to all these masses. So due to first one, we know the equation for potential is V is equal to minus of Gm divided by R. So due to first one, we can write as minus of G into mass is 2 kg divided by distance is nothing but 1 meter. And due to second one, we can take it as minus of G into 2 divided by 2. Due to third one, it is minus of G into 2 divided by 4. Next one, it is minus of G2 divided by 8, like that. So if I'm just taking this minus 2G as common, so remaining thing is 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16, etc. So up to this is going up to infinity. So our aim is to find out basically the sum of an infinite series or infinite GP series. GP means like over here this is the first term, and GP means it is you might be knowing that it is known as geometric progression. So in geometric progression, this is a first term, and if you are multiplying first term with a common difference, over here the common difference is 1 by 2. Because if you are multiplying 1 with 1 by 2, we'll get 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 will get 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 will get 1 by 8, like that. So for this GP series, we can say that the first term is nothing but 1, which is represented by A, and the common multiple is nothing but 1 divided by 2. And for the calculation of sum of infinite series in GP, we'll use this equation, that is sum of infinite terms in GP is nothing but A divided by 1 minus R. So we can just find out the value for it. So and over here the value of, remember that the value of R should be less than 1. So in this situation, like we can write as minus of 2G into, if you are using this equation as A and A divided by 1 minus R, so we can write as minus of 2G into A is nothing but first term, which is 1, minus 1 divided by R is nothing but 1 divided by 2. So this is minus of 2G into 1 minus 1 by 2, which we can take it as 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 2. So 1 divided by 1 by 2, 1 divided by 1 by 2. So this is going to be minus of 2G into 2, or you can write as it is minus of 4G.